Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a super nutritious butter bean and avocado salad that also includes apple, salad cress, pomegranate and walnuts. These were also my inspiration to make a delicious walnut and pomegranate dressing, which as you'll see is very easy to make. And so to start, we're going to prepare the pomegranate. Using a sharp paring knife, carefully slice, not very deeply, the top of the fruit. Then, again not very deeply, score from top to bottom 5 or 6 lines from where you can see the white membrane inside. With your fingers, pull apart the segments and start by removing the bits of the white layer that cover the seeds. Carefully separate the seeds and put them into a bowl. You can store any leftover seeds in an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 5 days. Now, to make the dressing, put 2 tablespoons of pomegranate seeds into a small fine mesh sieve. Set the sieve over a small bowl and gently crush the seeds with the back of a spoon. Also, juice a small lemon. Now, put the walnut oil and lemon juice in a small bowl and whisk with a fork until slightly thick. Add the agave nectar and 2 teaspoons of the pomegranate juice and whisk again until thick. Set aside while we prepare the other ingredients. Roughly chop the walnut pieces and finely slice the spring onions. Remove the toughest stems of the parsley and finely chop the rest. We're now going to put the rinsed and drained beans into a large salad bowl. Add the spring onions, parsley, a pinch of salt and a little black pepper. 2 tablespoons of the dressing. Toss to combine well and set aside. To prepare the avocado, quarter it by slicing twice lengthwise. Remove the seed with your fingers or with a spoon. Peel off the avocado using a spoon to scoop out the flesh, or just use your fingers to peel away the skin from the corners. Cut each quarter in 2 or 3 slices and then dice into smaller pieces. Next, quarter and core the apple without peeling. Slice each quarter in 2 or 3 slices and then into bite-sized portions. Put the avocado and apple into a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and toss to coat well. This will prevent the apple and avocado from browning. Now, put 70 grams of pomegranate seeds and the walnuts into the salad bowl. Using kitchen scissors, snip off the cress stalks at the base and add to the bowl. Add the apple and avocado and pour the rest of the dressing over the salad. Toss together to combine all the ingredients. This salad is best served immediately and is delicious on its own or as an accompaniment to other dishes. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.